Sophie?
Mummy,
Yes?
that Spiderman go be nice in the car.
Yes, he's a good Spider-Man,
Yes.
isn't he? He goes nicely in the car. Thank you, Spider-Man.
Oh, welcome.
Am I welcome? Thank you. Right. Right, Spider-Man. Let me try and make the car seat safe. Oh, this thing lean forward a bit for me, baby. Can't get these straps to loosen. Oh, God. Sorry, Spider-Man.
Mummy, you have a good day.
What, darling?
Did you have a good day?
I had a brilliant day, thank you,
I
Spider-Man.
had a good day too, Charlie.
Because I'm sleeping 18 on
Oh, God, this thing.
behind the trees.
Yeah, it's all
Behind
right.
the tree, is it?
Yes.
Do you think it's selling ice creams today? Because it's very cold, isn't it?
Tight.
Ooh.
Right, that's safe, isn't it? Thank you, Spider-Man. The sunshade fell out. Right, Spider-Man.
You're comfortable, Spider-Man. Let me have a look at you. That's great. You really look like Spider-Man, Charlie. Don't you? Yeah.